We choose Foton at that time because we realized it was the most vibrant mobility company in China, and we foresee a very good future for the company.
Your buses are really making a great impact on our market, just because of the good quality, efficiency and safety.
We expect to grow this segment in Mexico market, so with the new plant we can support the production lines and the new product that very good quality performance for we can compete with the traditional market.
Foton, easy move.